Okay. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I can't get the filler neck tubes off. They're on there with like 20 years of stuckage. I was gonna lift the bed up, but the bolts on that are rusted out. So I didn't want to take that chance. So I'm trying to do it this way.